So, what do you want to say?
It's an old Cree Indian prophecy. Only after the last tree has been cut down, only after the last river has been poisoned, and only after the last fish has been eaten, only then will mankind realise that money cannot buy food. No, I've said that wrong. Cree Indian prophecy. Only after the last fish has been caught, only after the last river has been poisoned, only after the last fish, only after the last fish. This will be good. A Cree Indian prophecy. Only after the last fish has been caught, only after the last river has been poisoned, and only after the last tree has been cut down, will mankind realise money cannot be eaten.
That's beautiful, Tiffany.
I tried.
Thank you for sharing that with us.